Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Beloved Catering Service is a business where we make all kinds of cakes, butter cookies, shortbread cookies, coconut biscuits, sugar cookies, brownies, ring donuts, meat pies, samosa, spring rolls, and all kinds of fruit drinks and fruit juices, especially sobolo. We also make all local rice dishes and Ghanaian authentic dishes. We cater for all events and occasions and any form of gatherings. You can contact us with the information provided on your screen. Guys, as we all know, this is a very festive season, and also this month stands for the most precious month in my life because it's your girl's birthday this month and there's a whole lot to be celebrated. Since this month is my birthday month and also Christmas, I would like to call this month December to remember. Oh yes, it's indeed December to remember. And with that being said, I want to seize this opportunity to wish each and every December born here a very happy birthday. Not forgetting myself as well. And I would also like to wish each and everyone a Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year. We hope that next year brings us so much good and so much happiness and also strong faith in God. These are the ingredients we are using for today's video. So we have water here, vanilla essence, a bowl with a lid, we have 3 towels, milk powder here, a spatula, a napkin, a measuring cup, and then our non-stick pan. Before that, I would be very happy if you could subscribe to my channel right now and then turn on your post and notification icon so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video onto the channel. And please share my videos with your friends and family. Please subscribe. I'm going to cut this open and then we pour 1 cup into this container here and we fetch 1 cup of water and then mix with the spatula. So this is our milk powder. I'm going to pour it here and then I'll fetch 1 cup of water and pour it here. And I'll mix until it is smooth. You don't want any lumps, otherwise the yogurt will have lumps in it. At this point I need a whisk to continue the job, so I don't want lumps in it, so I have to use the whisk. So this is the pan we are using. I'm going to pour this in here. I'll pour it here and mix for everything to dilute nicely. Placed it on the stove top, so I'm going to mix until it starts to bubble up. It's starting to bubble up, as you can see. I'm mixing so that it doesn't form any form of film on top of it, which is the fat part of the whole milk, and then making the yogurt will have less fat as it should have. So I want to stir until the number of minutes needed is obtained. Then it starts to boil just a bit. It's boiling slightly, so it's almost done. I just took it off the stove, so I'm going to mix till it cools down. The reason I'm doing this is that if I don't mix till it cools down, what will happen is that a film will form on top of it again, which is something I don't want. So I have to avoid that at all costs. Now the milk is at the preferred temperature. When I put it behind my hand like this, it doesn't really hurt. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to transfer it from here into the bowl we are using. This is it. This is also the yogurt starter we made. You can check out the video on the channel for that, which I've linked in the description box. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the tablespoon to fetch 1, 2, and then 3. Then I'll mix it thoroughly. And then pour it in here. And I'll go ahead and use the ladle, spatula, or however you call it, to mix it in. Cover with cling film, and then the cover. This is it. After covering with the cling film, I'll then cover with the head or lid, and then pick these towels here, bring them to this side, and then cover them. This is for the first one. We have 2 more to go. Covered with the second towel, and this is for the last one. So I'm going to place it into my oven until the next day, which is for 24 hours. So this is it after 24 hours in a warm place. So I'm unwrapping the towels from it. And here is our yogurt. So this is it, made from my homemade yogurt starter. The recipe is already on the channel, you can check out. And Merry Christmas to you as well. This festive season, I hope it brings you joy, love, and you're able to share with all your friends and loved ones as well. And this is where today's video ends. Thank you so much for watching. Make it a point to watch all our new videos this and every Thursday and Sunday for wholesome content and amazing recipes you can try with your friends and family. Also, we post short videos from Sunday to Sunday, which is throughout the week, so you can check that out as well. Share our videos with your friends and family on our behalf. Subscribe to the channel. Do all the good stuff for us. Follow us on all our socials. So we meet again, dear viewers. Bye bye.